Today we are unboxing OUD DUKHNI BAKHOOR. This is the variety pack and this is my first time buying BAKHOOR. Since the quarantine we've been staying home and lots of cooking has been going on. As you know, after cooking the house smells food for the couple hours. I usually burn candles, but recently I saw a video of BAKHOOR in YouTube and I wanted to give it a try. I bought this online in Amazon through Prime and I got this in 2 days. It cost me $14.99. I bought this particular one because it has all the starter kit for the new users just like me. It claims to be rated #1 BAKHOOR in the world, and moreover, it has the best-selling varieties in this package. It comes in this colorful paper box wrapped with clear plastic. On the back it says it can be used with the charcoal, an exotic burner which is recommended and included in the package, and the electric burner too. Now let's open this box and see what we got. Let's take the clear plastic off first. Now let's see what we got. I guess this is their brochure. Let's see what's inside. Oh, all of their products. Premium OUD, air refresher, perfume oil, coin BAKHOOR, and how to use and all other varieties of burners. On the other side it's the same thing. There are other varieties, the jar coin BAKHOOR and the variety pack that we bought, and they have the warning messages since it has the burning candles. And you can follow them on the Instagram at DUKHNI BAKHOOR. Now let's keep this aside and dig in what we got. Since it's my first time, I'm very excited. I hope it doesn't let me down. Here we got a little piece of wood. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a coaster, and I don't know what this is. Oh, and we got the candle. That's nice. They give us the candle too. And all their variety packets. Let me take it out and organize it so you all also can see what are the varieties I got. I think they have 2 of each kind. So this is all I got. They have 10 varieties and 2 of each kind, and it comes with a coaster, burner, and the candle. Let's light the candle first as the instruction says, and then we had to put this copper plate on top of it. Now the fun part, choosing the BAKHOOR to burn today. I want to do this OUD al-Ibtisam today. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm picking this one particular because I looked at the description and it has all the rose, jasmine, saffron, all the floral scent that I like. These packets are easy to tear open. Didn't need any scissors. So let's see. Oh, we got the square ones. Nice. On the brochure in how to use, it says to burn for 60 minutes. Right about 5 minutes, I can already smell the aroma. And as you burn, the smell gets more intense. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh. Look at the smoke coming in a little bit. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. It says it's 100% natural, 100% low smoke, and 100% non-toxic. Let me know in the comments below. Do you use BAKHOOR? Do you like them? For my first experience, I'm loving it. Let me know if you have your favorite one and a must-try variety for a newbie like me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe now. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get the notification as soon as I upload my new video. See you guys on my next video.